Deep Sequencer AI is one of the newest tools in the AI space, and if you're considering whether it's worth your time, this review is for you. In this video, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about Deep Sequencer AI before you dive in. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a complete understanding of how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth adding to your digital marketing toolkit. Now, before we jump into the specifics, I want to let you know that you can try Deep Sequencer AI completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. Trust me, it's worth exploring, especially with what I'm about to share. First off, Deep Sequencer AI is a powerful software that focuses on automating and optimizing marketing content creation. It uses advanced machine learning models to create and sequence content in a way that is personalized and highly engaging. What sets this tool apart from others in the market is its ability to create dynamic content that adapts to user behaviors, which is a game changer for digital marketers. One of the standout features of Deep Sequencer AI is its child content sequencing capabilities. Instead of just generating random text, it sequences content in a way that follows a logical flow, making it feel more natural to readers. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or email campaigns, this AI ensures that your content is structured for maximum engagement and conversion. The second thing you should know is the integration center options. Deep Sequencer AI works seamlessly with other tools, making it a versatile addition to your marketing stack. It integrates with major CRMs, email marketing platforms, and even social media scheduling tools. If you're already using a tool like MailChimp or HubSpot, you'll find it easy to get started with Deep Sequencer. The third crucial point is the ease of use. While many AI tools can be intimidating, Deep Sequencer AI is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The interface is clean, intuitive, and allows even those with little technical experience to start creating content quickly. If you've tried other AI tools in the past and struggled to get the results you wanted, Deep Sequencer might be a refreshing change. Now let's talk about optimization. Deep Sequencer AI isn't just about creating content, it's also about optimizing it. With its built-in SEO features, it helps you target the right keywords, structure your content for search engines, and ultimately improve your rankings. This is a huge plus if you're looking to improve your organic traffic or rank higher on Google. Another great feature is the personalization capabilities. Deep Sequencer can analyze past customer interactions, segment your audience, and then create personalized content for each group. This allows you to craft messages that speak directly to different parts of your audience, driving better results in terms of engagement and conversions. But of course, no software is perfect. One potential downside is that Deep Sequencer AI does require a bit of a learning curve when it comes to mastering its advanced features. While it's user-friendly, there are some features that might take a little time to fully grasp, especially if you're new to AI-powered marketing tools. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll see a significant boost in your content quality and efficiency. Lastly, it's important to note the pricing model. While Deep Sequencer AI offers a free trial, the premium features are locked behind a subscription. This means you can test the tool for free and get a feel for its capabilities. But if you want access to everything, you'll need to sign up for a paid plan. Still, considering the results it delivers, it can be well worth the investment for marketers serious about scaling their content production. To wrap it up, Deep Sequencer AI is definitely one of the most impressive AI tools I've seen in terms of automating and optimizing content creation. From its unique content sequencing to its powerful optimization and personalization features, it has a lot to offer. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, I'd recommend giving it a try, especially with the free trial link in the description. Finally, if you're looking for more great AI tools to help you streamline your workflow, I've listed some of my personal favorites in the description below. After testing thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I keep coming back to. Check them out and let me know which ones you're most excited to try.